morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today it is Sunday. It's Sunday the 2nd of January. I've just finished getting ready. This morning we've kind of been doing lots of stuff. I've had to order a new pram or stroller for Archie because his one we have now is really big and will not fit on the plane, and we want something that we can take through to the airport. So we've decided to get rid of his old pram, and we're just waiting to go pick up the new one. I did a click and collect, so hopefully they message us soon and we can go and pick that up. So yeah, that'll be exciting. I'll show you guys that when we get it. Wow. But yeah, the stroller we had before we didn't really like. We're not a fan of. It's just too big and bulky. The wheels are crap on it, and yeah, so that we'll just get a new one, a nice small one, compact one. It'll be great for when we're back in New Zealand, and it'll also be really good to, yeah, get us through the airport with Archie without having to carry him and worry about that, because we're going to have a lot of stuff on us. So yeah, but today I have also just been editing yesterday's vlog, which I'll put up. Oh, what is that on my foot? I'll put that up later on tonight. I've got to re-watch it and just add a few things to it. So yeah, but I think Archie just woke up. We've just been chilling. Ella's been packing up the kitchen. We have a lot to do today, you guys. We've got to pack more stuff into suitcases. I think we need to go get one more suitcase since I was going out to get the stroller. We'll get another suitcase as well. And yeah, we're just packing up, getting rid of things. And yeah, good morning.
Say hi, Mama.
Good morning.
Oh, say hi, Mummies.
Not keen on me. But yeah, we're basically just packing up things today. We've got to sort this kitchen out because it's an absolute mess. Ella's already started on the cupboards. And yeah, that's what we're doing.
Have you got a text from about the prank?
Nah, not yet. We'll wait for that. Hi, Noodles. How was your nap? Look at your hair. It's wild teeth. Happy boy. Alright, so it's now a lot later on in the evening. I think it's like nearly 9 o'clock. We have just been packing. It is so hot, as you can probably tell. I look very sweaty. But my house is a freaking mess at the moment. So we've just literally pulled everything out. I've gone through... Oh, Jesus, sleep. But I've gone through like the bathroom. That's completely empty now. I've done the study, which is also completely empty. We've still got our Wi-Fi on. And then I've also gone through our... what is this called? Little laundry nook. And gotten rid of everything in here as well. Like all the cupboards are empty. I've had a load of washing on, and the stuff I need to put into something because this is the stuff that we'll take with us. And then yeah, we've done that. I've also done the linen cupboard as well. We've just got like some vacuum pack bags. I don't know if we're going to use those yet. And then we've left the toilet paper in there too. But what is up there? I don't know what that is. I'll get Ella to get that down. But yeah, all empty. And yeah, that's what we've been doing this evening. We did a couple of things today. It's just, yeah, a lot easier to do things when Archie is down for his sleep. But we also got a new pram today. I can't remember if I told you guys earlier, but I was looking on the Baby Bunting website this morning. Oh, seems very heavy. But we ended up getting this one here. This is the Mountain Buggy Nano. And it's a travel pram, which we needed. We wanted a pram that we can take onto the aircraft because I don't want to have to run and chase Archie all over the airport, and also like it'll just be, what am I here? Oh my god. It'll just be safer as well. Thanks. It'll also just be easier to, what am I saying? It'll be easier just to have him in his pram at the airport, and then
plus we can put narrow as well.
We can put this in the overhead locker. It fits in the overhead locker of the plane, so we can take it on as well. And then we also brought this universal rain cover for it as well, which will be good, like just because we're going to the airport, it's just good, a little bit of extra protection for him. So I will show you guys. Let's unbox it together. These shorts are the worst shorts ever. They keep like the zip keeps going down, so if you see that, don't mind that. But let's open it up. We just ordered pizza and I'm very excited about it. We actually got pizza the other night, I think New Year's night. We got pizza for dinner and we ordered like buffalo wings. Oh my gosh, they are so good. So I wanted them again, so we ordered buffalo wings and a pizza and some chips, just cause I don't want to cook anything. All of our pots and pans are put away and stuff, so yeah, we are having Domino's pizza. Domino's for dinner. We have another pram as well. I can't remember if I've already said this to you guys, but we have another pram. It's the Maxi Cozy Zelia. It's far too big for to fit on the plane. It's quite bulky, and I also just don't really like it anymore either. We're just gonna get rid of it. But it's just, yeah, I wasn't a fan of it. It just like, the wheels were really bad. It has no traction whatsoever. And do I need to zoom in? I think so. Yeah, there's no like traction or anything, so it is super bumpy and yeah, just no good. So we had to get a new pram anyway. We just decided to get the small stroller. Archie's getting too big anyway for like his other pram. It's just not comfortable for him. So already I can tell by the wheels that these feel a lot better than the other ones. So smooth. But yeah, we ended up getting the Nano in the blue colour. It's actually a little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. I think they also have a black one as well. I mean, not a black one, a grey one, like a light grey one. But our last stroller was grey, and I kind of wish that we had got a, oh my god, okay, yeah, no, that's so good. Look how small this is, so compact. What was I saying? The last stroller we got was grey, and then after I got the grey one, I kind of wish that I got them black. So we got the black one this time around. I like that this has a little cover over it. Really handy. Oh my god, it's so much smaller. How good. It says maximum load 13 kgs, but Archie's I think probably like 17 kgs maybe. But I also saw somebody who said, I read a review that somebody said that their 4-year-old was still comfortable in this, so I'm sure it'll be fine. How do you put these wheels on? Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. Okay. Look at it. It's so good.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
And like try and move it compared to our one. Like
you can see,
like
the wheels are much more smoother.
So good.
Yeah.
And then this, I think you just, how do you do this up?
So I can put it from the tab lays down there to maximum.
Yeah, so
What
that's,
allows it now?
I want it to sit up though.
Oh, set up here. Yeah.
Oh, ow. Yeah.
Yeah, it does. So it just sits that way. Just go a this way a bit. Just put this over there. You can adjust the height as well, and which is pretty good. You can put it up or down.
The buckle is a lot more secure than the other one as well, like the whole thing. Then you hit the there we go.
Okay.
So you just click it there. So there's
Oh,
things
there's a
there.
thing there, okay. Yeah, it's cool. That's it. That's it.
And then you just sits like that. Oh, how good. I'm so sweaty now. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Yeah, no, that's
I
cool.
love this.
Yeah, it's cool.
So much easier to like use as well.
To test drive. Yeah, it's much easier.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah,
no,
I
that's
love
pretty
it.
cool.
Perfect. And then we can just put the cover over it when we
Yeah, for protection, extra protection.
if you guys are looking for like a good little like, I mean obviously we're still gonna test drive it, but like if you're looking for something small and compact and you're able to get onto an aircraft with it, this is quite a good one. I like it. It's so much thinner than our last one, which I love. I hated the fact that our last one was so wide. It was really hard to get through places, but this one is so good. I'm not quite sure what this is for though. I don't know. Anyway, I love it. So cute and really like compact too. I mean, I don't know how it's going to go when we have to put it down. I'm sure we'll figure it out again. But yeah, super stoked with that. Yay! New stroller for Archie. But yeah, this is it. Here, super simple, really easy. This bit comes up too if they want their feet up. And then you've got a little bit of storage in the bottom there, which is quite good. And then you've got the recliner bit as well, the shade. And yeah, I love it. I will test drive it tomorrow. And because we'll be taking Archie to the hotel and stuff, so we'll go for a little walk. I'll show you guys it in action. And yeah, but already I can feel that the wheels are so much better than our other one. That was a huge problem with our last one, was that the wheels did not move easily. So that was a huge problem, but this one seems good. Yay!